In this video, I'm going to be revealing what I consider the best online businesses to start on 2024. They are beginner friendly, so this is something that you guys need to take into consideration. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the best online businesses to start in 2024. I'm going to be sharing with you two. These are the ones that I'm currently doing. And guys, I can tell you that definitely these are beginner friendly and these are fun to do. And you're going to get results, okay? If you decide to take action, okay? This is not something magical. Okay, first of all, which is the very first one, and this is the beginner friendly. It's called the Amazon Influencer Program. Okay, chances are that right now you're like, whoa, okay, you're mentioning the word influencer. I don't have a following, so how can I be part of this? Because, hardly my mom and my dad are following me. Okay, it's not more like an influencer, but like a reviewer program. Okay, I do see people who got approved, okay, just by literally having 15 followers or subscribers, depending on the platform they use, 500 followers, subscribers, and also there is a complete step-by-step of how you can actually get approved. I'm going to be leaving a link below, okay? So don't worry about that because that's the easiest thing. And to be honest, guys, you can start this for free. You can partner with Amazon, okay? And let me tell you a little bit about how this is actually going to work. Okay, there are two phases in order to be approved with Amazon. Okay, the very first phase is they take into consideration the amount of followers you have, but most importantly is the engagement. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have 100,000 followers, if they do not engage with you on your content, unfortunately, you're not gonna get approved. Again, there is an in-depth training. If you consider that this is something that you would like to do, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, now here is, like a brief explanation. I'm going to show you everything, how it works and all the stuff. Okay, the second thing is that you need to submit 3 videos, okay? And do not confuse this with the Amazon Associate Program. That's a separate program in which what you need to do is like this, okay? Amazon tell you like, hey, I'm going to give you this link. So if you refer someone or someone use your link to purchase a product, you're going to be earning a commission. Okay. This is something different because with the Amazon Influencer Program, we don't need to have a website. We don't need to be worrying about traffic. We're going to be creating literally 45 seconds review videos. It can be 1-2 minute review videos. You don't need to be in front of a camera if you don't want to. And they're going to put the videos on Amazon. Okay, so you will need to record 3 videos. After the first approval, you will need to record 3 videos. Okay, there are some guidelines, okay, like that you need to follow. Like everybody have their own rules. And after that, what Amazon is going to do is going to be doing something like that. Okay, so here, this is Amazon. I'm pretty sure that you're already familiar with it. They do have tons of product sets that, man, you can imagine and you cannot imagine. And with the Amazon Influencer Program, this is like this. This is, for example, we have the stainless steel tumbler, okay? So here we have some videos, okay? Here we have some videos, and I'm going to show you how. If I click on this, you're going to see that the very first videos, actually the very first 2 videos, these ones, okay? These 2 videos are from the manufacturer, okay? These 2 videos are from the manufacturer. But if I scroll down, you're going to see that we have these videos, which are related videos, okay? These are for regular people, okay? You're going to see this, the lady have the image here, the guy has the image, and here these are faceless, okay? These are literally people who decided like, hey, we want to be part of the Amazon Influencer Program. We are going to be sharing on our opinion, and that's it. Okay, this is something different because sometimes people get confused. They're like, man, but I'm leaving my opinion and Amazon is not paying me. Because they are doing this as a customer, okay? And we are not going to be doing this as a customer. We are going to be doing a reviewer, okay? Chances are right now you are like, Diana, do I need to purchase the product on Amazon so I can do a review? No, you can purchase anywhere. We have hundreds of products in our house that they are listed on Amazon. And the only thing is that you need to make sure that they're listed on Amazon. People can purchase them on Amazon, and you're going to be doing your review. Okay, I'm going to be clicking this so you can take a look at how it actually looks like. Okay, you see? Really easy, really simple. Okay, that's it. The person is not here on camera. So this is what is called the Amazon Influencer Program. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this, okay, how you can definitely grow this as a passive income, because the cool thing is that you don't need to post this on social media. Okay, as you can notice, I'm going to click again here. The videos are going to be here. They're going to be here on Amazon. Okay, so literally people are making a buying decision. If they watch your video and they make a purchase, Amazon is going to pay you a commission. Okay, it's really easy. It's super passive. Okay, that's the very first one. It's called the Amazon Influencer Program. Again, if you want to learn more about this, a full training and all the stuff, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Now, the second one, it's affiliate marketing. Okay, but as you know, they are, programs, for example, Amazon, that they're going to be paying you a commission. Okay, but in my case, I'm not talking about what we call the low ticket affiliate marketing, what we call the high ticket affiliate marketing. So that means that companies are going to be paying you $500, $1,000, $3,000 the commission, okay? And you don't worry, because we are not salespeople, we are affiliate. So the only thing that we're going to be doing is that we are going to be sharing our opinion, okay? How does affiliate marketing works? And this is one thing that I really like, is that we are recommending people products and services that we like, okay? We have, for example, we are here, okay? You're going to be here, so I'm going to put a Y. And we have a company here. I'm going to put here because they do have a product, so it's going to be a P as in Peter. And here we have a customer, someone who is looking for a product, and maybe they are on the social networks, they're on a YouTube channel, they're reading a blog, they're on Pinterest, and they're like, hey, I want to know more information about this. Okay, cool, sure. Or do you have this problem? Sure. Okay, I have this solution for you. Use this link and you're going to get this product, okay? And you're going to get the commission. But again, with high ticket programs, okay, you are going to be earning a $1,000 commission, $500 commission. So you need a couple of these, and it's going to be a decent amount of money. Man, if you get 5 of this $1,000 commission, that's going to be 5K. Okay, so with the high ticket affiliate marketing and the right way to do affiliate marketing, because you're not going to be like, hey, here I do have my link, go ahead and get this product, because people are not thinking about buying. Okay, they're using the social networks and all that stuff to have a great time, to share memories with their friends and families. Okay, so you need to do this in a professional way. So we will need to use tools. One, it's gonna be an autoresponder and a funnel builder. Okay, you can use one for free. I'm going to be leaving a link below. One that I recommend right now, it's called system.io. With the link below, you can create this for free. Okay, so you don't even need to type your credit card information. It's literally free. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be creating what we call a capture page. Okay, so people are going to be putting their name and email address, and don't worry, this is super easy to create, super simple. You don't need to know anything about coding, about creating videos, about graphic design. This is really simple. Okay, but here we will need to put what we call a bridge page. This can be a video, or this can be a text. Okay, and you're telling people like, hey, Okay, here is the information, and here is the product page. So I'm gonna put here the P, and here you earn commissions. But again, people are getting distracted, they're getting information, chances are that they're not ready to buy. Okay, so you're gonna grab their email address. Okay, you're gonna grab their email address, and we're gonna be doing what we call an email following sequence. Okay, so you can create a conversation with them. Okay, most of the time when you partner with a company, they provide you this, so you don't need to start from scratch. Nowadays, there are amazing tools. For example, ChatGPT can help you create these email sequence. And the cool thing is that since you have their email address, you can promote as many products as you want. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, because I'm going to be explaining this more like on the surface, I'm going to be leaving again a link below, so you can actually grab my guide and you can have a full explanation about this. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving a link below. With affiliate marketing, it's different like with the Amazon influencer program, because with the Amazon, we're going to be reviewing all the products that we have in our house. But with the affiliate marketing, we're going to be talking to a specific group of people. This is what we call a niche. Okay, so it can be people who are interested on health. Maybe they want to lose weight. Maybe you want to be more specific, and you're like, okay, no, I want to talk to women who they have kids, and they want to get back and recover the way their body looks like, right? So that's going to be my target audience. So I'm going to be talking to them. I know their pain points and all that stuff. Or maybe you're like, no, I want to talk to people like they need to lose weight because they have some kind of disease. Maybe you want to go with those who are looking, to have some dates, and they're like, man, every single time I look myself into the mirror, I don't feel comfortable because how the way my body looks, I know I can improve. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're talking to the people that you actually feel, good about it. So the top 3 niches right now, it's health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, there are others. For example, I know someone who makes a living talking to those who love video games, because that's his passion. So literally, affiliate marketing is open for everybody. So this is something that, again, there is a tool. I'm going to be leaving again a link below. It's called system.io. You can use it for free, and you can start creating this. So this is something that we set it and literally we forget it. Okay, because the system is going to be doing everything for us. It's going to be sending emails for people. If we create them 365 emails, we have 365 days on email sequence. So this is a business model that I have been doing since 2018, and I really enjoy. It's life-changing. So again, if you want to learn more about this, how it actually works, I'm going to be leaving a link below. One of the links is going to be for the Amazon influencer program if you want to go that route. The other link is if you want to go with the affiliate marketing, in this case high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to be leaving a link below as well. Chances are that you're wondering, like, Diana, do I need to choose one or the other? I'm doing both. Okay, that if I have to be honest, 100% transparent, I do them both, but I start affiliate marketing first back on 2018, and I start with the Amazon influencer program last year. Okay, I started with the Amazon influencer program. I really enjoy them both. I think they're great opportunities, but at the end of the day, it will depend on you if you want to do them both at the same time, or if you want to start with one and you can go with the other. But they do complement each other. They are great opportunities. Again, all the information and all the details, how you can go in, with the full training and all the stuff, it's going to be on the links below. So this is it for this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.